Oh my God, what is this? I don't know, I got SMS. I got SMS. Hi, Miss or Mr. Have been overdue. As his emergency contact, you hope to inform him in time. If he chooses to continue to be overdue, he may be added to the blacklist of CIC later. I don't care. But actually, I'm wondering how come that actually the one it mentioned the name here, it's really my friend on Facebook. Madam, easy loan nakabutang, then it's saying that I am the emergency contact. How come? Yes, but at the last part there is link also. It will not call because this is roaming number only. This is the number from Philippines. No, I didn't click the link, but I will send it to her. How come I am the emergency contact? Oh my goodness. It's come. Oh my God.